Hey everyone, it's Louise with Louise McCarrot, and welcome to my channel. You're catching me right in the middle of something. I was just trying to burn up some paints, and this color combination was so cool. I thought, you know what? Let me just go ahead and do a video. Yeah, another coaster, and welcome to my channel. I'm glad you're here. I'm trying to burn up some paint. Just came back from my daughter's baby shower and my son's wedding, and I had to right away get going on a auction piece, which is probably aired by now. So I'm trying to use up some of this beautiful benevolence. That's a TLP. So I'm working on it. I'm using my Multi-Pro, which is my pillow, 47-3110. Yeah, the first one came out so pretty. I thought, you know what? Let's go with another. I literally could, I could do these all day. I do make a lot of coasters, and they all go away. They all sell. I shouldn't say go away. They all sell. All right, so what we got for colors here? This is Pearl Sky Blue by Arteza. It's a little bit on the thick side, but once again, it's a small piece, so I'm not too worried about it. And I need enough for 2 more of these, so I think I've got that in there. All right, this is that beautiful, a little bit thick, the beautiful benevolence. Slowly throw some of that down. I'll tell you what, ever since I've been back, my time management has been horrible. I don't get much done. Okay, this is TLP. Oh, I got 2 TLPs in a row. No, I don't. This is Arteza's Pearl Pistachio. And all these are thick because they've been sitting around. But I just want to use this stuff up. And this is always shy. The greens are always shy. And they always just kind of play a background part in creations for some reason for me. But that's fine because I see them and they look beautiful. Just mixed up some of this. I used some of my old that I had sitting around, which was really thick, and then I just reconstituted by a fresh batch of iridescent silver by Golden. Fresh pouring medium. And last but not least, my Payne's Gray combination, which is Arteza and Golden. Yeah, this color combination, I mean, if there was ever a Game of Thrones Winter is Coming, this is the combination for Winter is Coming. I seem to have skipped right past fall. I had enough fall in one day. Okay, so let's go. This is Australian Floetrol Cell Activator. I do have my own. It's video 141 if you want to see my American Floetrol Cell Activator. But I've got so much of this, I want to use it up. This is titanium white and oxide black. There we go. So when I start my blow, I always aim it directly into the center of the cell activator to try to get it to blow out in as full circle as possible and create a little divot and a ridge. Then I aim my blow at the ridge where the cell activator meets the paint. I blow out the cell activator over the paint and then the paint out over the pillow until it's fully spread out. I have video 419 that talks about the art of the blow if you want to get into a lot of good details about how to blow out your bloom. So all I'm doing right here is just pulling the paint to the edges. Some people do this first, some people do this like I'm doing it. Doesn't matter. Whatever works for you. What's most important is you get it over the edge too. But if you don't get it all covered, the paint will almost act like a break where there's no paint. And you'll see where that happens. You'll know, oh boy, I must not have paint there, because the paint will literally stop moving. So while I have a second here, please check my description for recipes, for links to things, products I use, and other videos. One of the links is for KS Resin, which is what I love to use. You get a 10% discount code when you use it, and I get 5% back toward future purchases. So everybody wins, and that's a great way to support me. All right, let's give it a gentle spin. Yeah, see how, you'll see, this is a very cool color combination. Nothing flashy about this. But that's fine. If you've seen me for a while, you'll know I can dabble with bright colors, but it's not my thing. And some people, that's what they love to play with. And when I do, I always say, man, I need to do that more often, and then I don't. So go figure, whatever that means. Making sure I got the sides covered so this will spread out well. I got these really cool little cells going on in the center. Looks like flowers from the dating game. You'll see in a second. It's very cute. I think it's because of the pearl. I think the metallics do that. See how this is not fully getting to the edge? That's because I don't have enough paint here. And your corners are the last things to get spun off, and the simple reason is because it's farthest from the center. But we'll get there. Where's my bucket? I'm saving paint because I'm doing ornaments now. Boy, I wish I videoed the other one. This one's pretty, but the other one was really good. My blow was not the best on this. All right, a little more cleanup. Yeah, I wouldn't have even done any ornaments this year if it weren't for somebody, or for people, multiple people, asking me to make sets of ornaments. So I'm like, oh, okay. And yeah, I could say no. But, you know, if somebody really wants them, I'll do my effort. I'll do my part. Another little tip, especially if you're new to me, when you pull your paint, especially with Multi-Pro, you want to pull it out and down. See how that paint is tacky? It's sticking. If I pull out and like this, that paint can snap right back into the piece, and then the weeping and wailing would begin, and you don't want to do any weeping and wailing. See how long that holds on? Look. Hold it, still holding. Okay, so we're done here. Look at those cute little dating game. Look at these cute little flower power cells in the middle. So cute. Yeah, winter is coming. So everyone, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Here are the final wet results. And in a second, I will show you the resin results. If you're new here and enjoyed this, please subscribe, hit the bell and all. You'll get all my latest art tutorials. And at the end here, I'm going to have a link to my playlist for other coasters so you can see other color combinations. But here we go. Here are the up-close personal results. And this color palette is perfect for a winter scene. I mean, if you're going to have a winter celebration, this is the kind of color palette you want to go with. Blues are cool, and so is this little bit of green that's in there as well. Just a perfect color palette for this time of year. So please remember to check the description and leave a comment, thumbs up. I always appreciate that. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section. That's all for now, everybody. Take care. Till next time.